This video shows how you can unlink audio and video tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro. So by default, what happens is that whenever you select the video clip, the audio clip associated with that video is also selected. But if you want to like unlink them, what you can do is you can click on this button which says that linked selection. So right now it is highlighted in blue color, which means that it is active. So just click on that, and now if you click on this clip, so you can see that this time around this audio clip was not selected. So you can either select video clip or audio clip, not both at the same time. And you can also drag it like this independently. So this is one way to do that. Now other way is that you can press the Alt key and then click on any of this clip. So press Alt key and then click. So you can see that at this point as well it selected just the video clip. Okay, and same way you can select the audio clip as well. So just press Alt key and then click. That's it. Thanks for watching.